Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I will be reviewing the Ipsy bag for May 2018. So let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So in this bag we have the Go There. They always include a little card, kind of a motivational card if you will. So let's get right into it. This is the bag for the month and it's got all these passport stamps on it. And this one's my favorite because it kind of looks like the word Gillette, and that's probably the closest I'll get to having my name on something unless it's a razor. Has Ipsy on the back and it's orange, and then it's got a cute little airplane as the tag. And in the bag this month we have a Lord & Berry kind of lippy, and it's not necessarily my shade, but it's a berry color. And it's really pigmented, looks really moisturizing. I like it. Probably be giving that to my mom since she likes those berry shades. All right, next we have the Satin Taupe Foiled Eyeshadow. It's by Butte Basics. And I got really excited that this was going to be like a foil shade, and then I opened it up. I mean, yeah, it's pigmented and it has that sparkle to it, but I thought it was gonna be like that gold foil and I got really excited. It's a pretty color. It's brown. You can see, whoop, there we go. It's got a nice sheen to it. Very cute. Next, I was gifted the eyeshadow brush, the N15. Haven't even taken it out of the package yet. But it's got like a rainbow tone on it, and then it's got a couple jewels on the top. I'm actually really excited when they give me brushes because I love brushes. It's very soft and I'm excited to use that. Next, they've given us the Vitamin C Real Gel Mask, and it's got a lot of really interesting things. And they've got a mild peeling finger pad in there. I've actually never used one of those, so I'll probably have to YouTube how to do that. But it's a pretty big package, and I'm excited to try that mask. Next we have the Delicate Skin Cleansing Gel. It has chamomile extract, licorice extract, and aloe vera by the company Mad Skincare. And I tried this. It's very soothing. Didn't have any reactions or anything to it, so I would recommend it. It's very lightweight, and it doesn't, I was worried that it would smell like licorice a lot, and I hate the smell of licorice. It didn't smell, so I was actually pretty excited with that, and I'll probably be using that until it's gone. So yeah, these are the products for the month, and if you have any questions, I will put the link to the Ipsy website below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I probably should have taken this out of the package because this is all you can do right now. So good. When you can't get it out of the wrapper. Yeah. Roxy, stop snoring. It's not that boring. Roxy. All right. Roxy.